What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we are working on the trunk on the 1972 Buick LeSabre, and also I had to paint the intake cover. So I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek, those of y'all that mess with me. It's a little dark, guys, I know. I'm finna turn on the light for y'all. Hold on. Ooh, man, look at that. Look at that. Y'all see that color? Oh, that's all y'all get, man. So, anyways, we're gonna get over here to the trunk. I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on. We'll get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays, I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low, yeah. I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, now that we got that out the way, I did end up, I already took the latch and everything and put it somewhere else, but we did finally get the trunk popped open, and golly, I don't know if I can fix this. So I've been looking online everywhere trying to find a trunk pan that I could just buy, cut this out, and then just put a new one in, but like nobody has one. So we got a rust line right there, we got a rust right there, we got rust everywhere pretty much, but like we got big holes too. So man, not a video I want to shoot, but I show y'all the real. We show y'all the real on this channel. We show y'all the grind. We show y'all everything that's going on, guys, and I appreciate all 12 of y'all that watch. Nah, I'm just playing. But anyway, so we got rust treatment, we got so many products, guys, that we're gonna get it to look right. We gotta knock all this off the quarter panels. We got a lot of work to do. Let me see what time it is. It is 9:10 on a Friday night, and this is what I'm doing. But I'm gonna start just sanding and see what we got left, and then if not, we might have to try to find a donor vehicle or something like that we can cut one out of. I've been looking everywhere, guys. If y'all find one, let me know. And anything else we can get off of it to get this car looking right. So with that being said, let's get to work. This is for taking rust off. my goodness, guys. I ain't done this in a while. That's killing my back though. But we already found a patch right here. Y'all can see that right there. You see that line? And then going over to here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. It's gonna be a lot of fiberglass. And I'm gonna try to do a little bit of sheet metal work. I'm not the best at that, but I mean, we gotta get this looking good. So this is not gonna be $100,000 show car or nothing on that level, guys. I mean, I'm just trying to get this thing to look good and roll good. So it is what it is. We'll get after it. We'll keep going. Alright guys, we had to adjust my son's mask. We're gonna B-roll this and we'll show y'all us sanding all this down.
Damn, Cam, this shit a vibe.
Alright guys, that's enough for tonight. Man, I am dusty, tired. I got a lot knocked out. I even cleaned up some of that quarter panel. But man, I was cleaning this up and them holes got bigger. It's all good, man. We're gonna make it do what it do. Here, let me show y'all. It's just dusty, but we got a lot done today. I'll vacuum all this stuff out tomorrow. Let's turn that way. I'll vacuum all this out tomorrow, guys. And then we'll get the rest of the rust, and then we'll do the treatment. I don't know. I might not even do that on camera. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to show y'all the product that we're gonna be using after I get everything cleaned up in there. So this is a rust killer, and got pretty good reviews. We're gonna see what it does. It's supposed to stop it permanently, so we'll see. I'm gonna vacuum all this rust out. It was freaking crazy last night. And we'll see where we get today. Alright guys, I'm shooting 2 videos at the same freaking time, so I'm trying not to get mixed up. But I sanded a lot more, and I'm getting ready to vacuum it out one more time, and then we'll put some treatment and let it sit overnight. But it's looking way better. If somebody can find me this trunk pan, let me know, and we'll cut this whole thing out. I looked everywhere, I couldn't find it. But we'll finish vacuuming it out. We'll get it cleaned up and we'll put some treatment on it. Alright guys, I got it vacuumed out. So make sure y'all remember how it looks, because here in a couple seconds, well, it's gonna be overnight for me, but it'll be a couple seconds for y'all. We'll let that stuff sit on here. So see areas like that. Let's see if they start changing colors. And see if the rust start disappearing. And then we'll start cutting out. We just gotta see what we can get rid of first and where good metal is still left. Alright guys, I got the rust bath going. Man, I took my mask off. That stuff is strong. So we're gonna let it soak overnight. You can already see what it's doing. I mean, it's killing that rust. Look at that. Man, it's strong, guys. I gotta end this video. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.